As that dangerous cold weather is obviously still here, we're -2 right now, going to be cold for a couple of days. Fire officials are warning about what could be a silent killer in your house.
Matt, listen to this. The CDC says more than 400 Americans die from unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning each year. KSHB 41 News reporter Claire Bradshaw joins us in studio with what to look for, especially with everybody trying to heat their house any way they can.
Yeah, good morning, you guys. Carbon monoxide poisoning, it really spikes this time of year, and that's because of those alternative heating sources people are using. So you want to make sure you have one of these, a CO detector on each level of your home. KCFD's Battalion Chief Riley Nolan, he says you can't smell or taste this very deadly gas. It's caused by the incomplete burning of fuels and appliances like furnaces, stoves, fireplaces. So the first signs you need to know of CO poisoning: dizziness, headaches. You're really just going to feel like you have the flu, according to the CDC. And if you're asleep, you may not experience those symptoms. So that's why if you have a detector, you need to be checking it regularly.
You want to check those as well, just like a smoke detector or smoke alarm. You want to check those batteries monthly, make sure that they're working appropriately, and if not, you want to get those changed out.
So to reduce the risk, make sure your home's well ventilated, keep regular service on your furnace and other appliances like your chimneys. Don't have any blocked vents either. And again, one of these, I got this thanks to Lindsay Shively over here. Do you want back?
Yeah, sure. This is the one we keep in our house. I told her I don't know how it works, but there's no carbon monoxide right now.
And we're safe here in the studio.
It's very loud when you test.
Yeah, we were all concerned whenever she brought that in. We're like, are we okay? Like, let's make sure.
I'm not pressing that button just to make sure.
Really, I mean, very handy to have. All right.